everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a content creator grinding on YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you feel that hustle to stand out without spending on fancy templates or video packs. Today, I'm sharing a simple guide to grab free bundles of pro-looking Shorts and Reels videos. Totally free! Looking for free Instagram Reels templates, YouTube Shorts bundles, or free short video packs for creators? This is your spot. By the end, you'll have easy steps to boost your content, plus a must-know website for these free downloads. Let's get into it. Now, the spot I love, codeintra.com. It's packed with free bundles curated for short-form creators, animations, intros, all set for CapCut or InShot. Here we are on codeintra.com. Link in the video. Head straight to the free source code section for all the goodies. No login needed to browse or download. But if you want to favorite items or get updates, a quick sign-up takes 30 seconds. Just click register, add your email and password, hit submit, done! Check these out. Tons of free packs! Like the 2,000+ animated Reels bundle with motivational quotes and viral shorts, or 1,500+ luxury lifestyle clips for that rich vibe. Themes cover success stories, fitness flows, beauty tips, and fun time-lapses. Each pack has 500 to 2,000+ high-res videos, ready to edit. Scroll and pick what matches your style. So many options, all free! To download, click View More on your pick, then the big Download Now button. It zips right to your Downloads folder. Super fast, one click. Got it? Now unzip that file. Use 7-Zip on desktop for quick extract, or your phone's file app. Boom! Here's the magic. Open the folder and you'll see all those videos popping up. Preview a few. Crisp animations, trendy effects, no watermarks. Perfect starters for your next reel. Next, fire up CapCut. It's free and awesome. Drag in a bundle video, layer your own footage or text, add a trending sound from their library or Epidemic Sound's free picks, tweak fonts and colors. In minutes, you've got a banger ready to post and monetize. No worries. Want proof? Head over to my Facebook page. I'll link it below. See this post? I used clips from a free animated bundle, added my twist, and it hit 50,000 views last month on a road trip series. Total spark. And zero copyright headaches. These have full PLR rights, so edit, repost, even sell as your own. Safe for commercial use everywhere. Dive deeper with themed packs. codeintra refreshes monthly. Grab summer effects for beach vibes, or back-to-school transitions for fresh starts. SEO boosters like these amp your reach in fitness, beauty, or tech niches. Overloaded? Here's a simple 3-step plan to go live today. 1. Hit codeintra.com. Browse free packs. 5 minutes max. Grab one like motivational montages. 2. Download, unzip, test in your editor. Make it yours. 3. Post with hashtags like #free Reels templates, #shorts bundles, and titles like free video downloads for YouTube to draw viewers. Done! Tip: drop 3 posts a week. Watch subs grow. You creators are killing it. If this helps, like, comment your fave pack, subscribe for more free hacks. Bell on! Thanks for hanging. Create that hit now. 1 download away. See ya!